Hi, boys and girls. Today for our phonics lesson, we are going to be working with VCE words. Our content objective is I can read and write VCE words. Our language objective is I can compare words with short O and long O sounds. The magic E rule. The final E is silent in a vowel consonant E syllable. Vowel consonant E is a VCE syllable. The magic E at the end of the word makes the vowel before it long or makes the vowel say its name. Let's look at some examples. This word is road. We see the letters R-O-D-E. E is magic E. It's magic because it doesn't say its name. We see E, we write E, but we don't say the sound for E. E uses its magic powers to make the vowel before it, O, say its name. So O says O. When we read this, we go R-O-D, road. I rode my bicycle yesterday. Let's look at another example. Again, E's at the end of the word. We see it, but we don't hear a sound from E. E makes the vowel O say its name. O is going to say O. So when we read this word, we could read slope, slope. I will sled down the slope. What letter is our magic letter that makes the vowel before it say its name? What's that magic letter that we just talked about? In the box that pops up, type that magic letter that makes the vowel before it say its name. The letter E. E is our magic letter that does not say anything. We see it, we write it, but we don't hear it. It makes the vowel before it say its vowel name. O is our star vowel we're going to be working with today. O can make two different sounds, the short O sound and the long O sound. Short O, it says ah, like dog. The O in dog makes the short O sound. The O in cone makes the long O sound. Long O is when O says its name. O, own. Let's practice reading some short O and long O words. I notice that this word, there's no magic E. And the vowel O is in between two consonants, which means it's a closed syllable. So O is going to make the short vowel sound. O is going to say ah. Ah, cod. Cod is a type of fish. But what happens when I add E at the end of the word? O doesn't say ah anymore because E's there. Magic E makes O say its name. So O is going to say O. We're not going to hear E at the end. K-O-D, code. This is a QR code. Let's try another one. Again, O is in between two consonants. It's a closed syllable. O can't run away, so it's going to say its short vowel sound. Ah, ah, b, rob. But what happens when I add in E? O says O now, so let's tap this out. O, b, robe. The girl is in her bathrobe. Let's try one more. There's no magic E, so O makes the short vowel sound. Ah, ah, p. The man will hop. When I add E, O now says its name. Hope, hope. When it rains, I hope for sun. What do you like better, rain or sun? Let's practice reading some sentences together. This sentence says, I hope to get an ice cream cone. Read it with me. I hope to get an ice cream cone. Tom wrote a note in code to me. Read it with me. Tom wrote a note in code to me. One more. He rode down the ski slope. Read it with me. He rode down the ski slope. Now, just to review, magic E. When we have magic E at the end of a word in a VCE syllable, E makes the vowel before it say its name. So today we talked about E making O say its name. Your final task. This is a picture of a fireman holding a hose. Say hose. I want you to type the word hose, the box that pops up. Tap out the word. Oh. Think. What sound are we hearing? What's the vowel sound? If it's a long vowel sound, what must be at the end? Nice job, friends.